Your cage is not small. It only feels that way because the sky remembers you. Your wings are still wings, but they no longer believe in air. Each morning, light slips through the bars just to show you what you cannot follow. You do not scream. You have learned that cages respect silence more. Your song trembles, not to escape, but to remind yourself you were once whole. People stop and smile. They call it beautiful. They do not hear how tired the sound is. Inside you, a voice curls up and whispers, "Why do they smile when I am still here?" Every smile feels like proof that your pain looks harmless. You want to tell them. You want to ask why freedom must disappear for beauty to exist. I stand there doing nothing, which hurts more than living. Because the cruelest thing about a cage is not the bars. It is the way the bird slowly learns to stay. And still, inside the bird, the sky keeps calling, even when no one else listens.